What is success? Success is the result of the right choice. The choice of going in the right direction toward a goal and the choice of instruments to make it happen. The capability to adapt to a rapidly changing world and the ability to change your conscience gives you that freedom of choice and the chance to be one step ahead of your competitors, to create what no one else can. IPG Photonics. Power to transform. Regardless of the great perspectives in laser technology in the 1990s in metalworks, telecommunications, and medicine, these instruments could not be realized because of their ineffectiveness, size, unreliability, and cost. New solutions were necessary. However, it seemed that industrial laser producers were going in a direction that could not bring any radical changes to the situation. This was the case until the first fiber laser hit the market. The principle of increasing the strength of laser rays using activated optic fiber lies at the base of a fiber laser. The feed source of the fiber laser is a semiconductor diode pump. This new technological platform, with huge power potential, a unique laser ray quality, and high effectiveness, would have most likely remained undeveloped in practice if it were not for the breakthrough that IPG Photonics Corporation made. A breakthrough similar to the creation of microprocessors in computer technology and integrated schemes in electronics. In a short period of time and without multi-billion-dollar investments, IPG Photonics created industrial fiber lasers that are unique in characteristics and consumer demands. These lasers are superb to solid-body and gas-powered kilowatt lasers in power, high wall plug efficiency, reliability, and cost efficiency. They are easily integrated into industrial processes thanks to their compactness, low energy consumption, simplicity, extremely high reliability, and low cost. IPG Photonics instruments can operate in extreme temperatures and humidity. IPG has combined two unique technologies that the company possesses. This is the technology of producing activated fiber and semiconductor diode pumping, and of course the expansive know-how of the company in the area of optical electronics that no one else has at the moment.
IPG Photonics is gaining worldwide acceptance of their fiber technology, and the reason for it is their unparalleled wall plug efficiency, the total lack of requirement for servicing, and of course the reliability. And this acceptance has been gained in all industries, which include automotive, aerospace, and more importantly recently the solar industry.
The rapidly growing global market in laser technology has made it compulsory to have branches throughout the world. IPG now deals in sales, tech support, guarantee, and post-guarantee service in 10 countries. World industrial leaders use IPG lasers in their technical line production. Among our partners, there are famous automobile producers, shipbuilding companies, aviation and space corporations, as well as producers of medical and telecommunications equipment. The number of fiber lasers is growing on the world market, and IPG Corporation is growing with it, thus becoming the uncontested leader in this sphere, and has itself sped up technological progress because of its unique developments. The company was founded in Russia in 1990 by a group of Russian scientists and engineers, and the company grew into a vertically integrated international corporation, the technical leader in this field with its own unique production of laser technology. IPG produces the same amount of lasers as all other producers put together. IPG has 3 production plants in the USA, Germany, and Russia, with approximately 1,500 employees operating with the most impressive automated production line in the world. IPG's headquarters is in Oxford, Massachusetts, in the United States. of the main aspects of fiber lasers is a semiconductor diode pump. We do produce the best diodes in the world, and that's not just a statement, it's a fact. We have created our own unique technology, starting with growing the diode structures and continuing on through all of the technological stages.
Nowadays, the further development of fiber laser technology and its commercial success largely depends on the availability and quality of the components. The laser diodes are considered to be the key component. In the last 5-7 years, IPG not only was lucky to develop its own proprietary technology, but also has established its own vertically integrated, highly automated manufacturing of this component. Behind this window, you can see one of the manufacturing areas. These facilities were capable of manufacturing more than several megawatt pumping power per year, which is bigger than any of our closest competition. And it gives us advantage over the competition, allowing us using internally manufactured, highest brightness, highest reliability, lowest cost components in our products. This gives us the leading advantage of the competition and uniquely positions us on the market.
Our production is highly automated and the human factor role has been brought to a minimum. This is the reason our diodes are cheaper than our competitors, and this is why our diodes are more reliable. Reliability is a key factor because this will deter extra expenses by our future customers. Everything depends on attaining maximum reliability at every stage, from selecting the best raw materials to final quality control of the finished product. IPG is the only company with a policy for mass stress testing of its diode pumps. Only the best diodes that have passed this test are used in the assembly of the final instruments. Our diodes have a 100% guaranteed resource, which no one else can deliver. Our final products are so reliable that even after the physical destruction of the construction's main parts, the modules remain operable. Our activated fiber is one of a kind in the world. We produce it ourselves, using our own designs and equipment. We have our own production line of unique optics and lenses. As well as extremely long fiber optic cables. Almost all of the key technological equipment is created within the company, which is a completely vertically integrated company. Having technological advantages over our competitors, IPG continues its scientific research and new technological breakthroughs. For more than 15 years, this research has found a useful place in actual instruments. A large amount of resources is invested annually in the needs for research, which is a principal strategy of the company, without which the company would not maintain its leadership in technology.
I started the business 19 years ago from the nil with a few students and created it without any grants, government funding, partners and investors. We have developed a revolutionary new technology platform and hundreds of unique products. We are self-sufficient, practically fully integrated corporation. We produce all products starting from raw materials. Our serious advantage versus our major competitors that we have created all our technology organically, without any adoptions, acquisitions, and mergers, whereas all of them have absorbed many tens of other businesses and technologies to reach a present status. We are growing much faster than any of them, and we are dictating our market segment trends quality standards and prices now.
Many of IPG's designs are one of a kind in the world. Thanks to these designs, instruments have been able to extremely change the approaches to many technological processes in laser technology. For example, when using only one powerful laser in metalworking, you can service several technological stands that are quite distant from one another and are facilitating various types of metal design. Because of the laser beam's high power and the instrument's mobility, it has become possible to shape large sheets of metal and make quality welds in shipbuilding, especially when welding large areas of thick sheets of metal with design elements in them. When doing so, there are no hot spots in welding and no deformations occur in the metal. When constructing fiber optic communication lines in telecommunications, the high power considerably decreases the number of active network hubs, and the unprecedented reliability will allow the lines to work constantly for a long period of time. All of this decreases direct expenditures and exploitation costs. The compactness of IPG's fiber lasers and the flexibility in laser beam delivery makes it possible to easily implement them in any medical sphere, including cosmetology and surgery. In creating new and more advanced fiber lasers, IPG Photonics gives many companies a technological instrument capable of not only increasing production effectiveness, but also minimize harmful effects to the environment because of the laser's low energy needs and lack of waste. IPG instruments have changed the old way of thinking and have opened new technological possibilities by creating new applications of laser technology in different areas of human activity. The world will change for the better around us if technological processes accelerate with us. IPG Photonics, power to transform.